Hey y'all, welcome to Boneyard. We are out here in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains in East Tennessee, and we are going to be picking, I don't know if you guys see in the background, but I'll zoom in here in just a second. We're going to be picking wild blackberries. We found them throughout here. The great thing about them is, well, if you eat blackberries or you've had blackberry pie, cobbler, yogurt, anything that has blackberries in it, they're delicious. They're great for you, but they're such a vital source of forage and nutrients for the wildlife out here as well, and it's helped the wildlife. There's so much of it that a lot of it is falling and going to waste. So we're going to harvest what we can. We're going to leave the stuff that's not ready to be eaten for the wildlife, and we're going to show you some of that footage right now. See where the animals that came in? To eat. Look, all the deer tracks. They actually tracked it down for us. Let's pull the right side. Please look at them, thank you. These are small, but everyone counts, right? Some of them have fallen off onto the ground. That's kind of some of what we're picking right there. I will give you a closer look at one of the bushes right here in just a second. What we're looking at here is these are your blackberries. If they're red like this, they're not ready. If they're not completely black, they're not ready. So what we're looking for is you're trying to find one that's almost completely black. That one would work. That one right there would work. That's what you're trying to harvest. If it's not like that, I would not pick it yet. Matter of fact, a couple of these probably could have stayed on there a little bit longer.
You can see where they ate them.
Do what?
I'm really smushing them in my hand.
Ooh, a big one fell right into my hand. One of the things you have to consider is when you're going to go into these bushes that you also have the insects that are out here as well. So you are going to encounter ticks. You're going to encounter just about anything that's going to be living on these plants. Spray down with DEET, spray down with Repel. There's some natural based stuff out there that you can use. But also when you're reaching in here, the other thing you want to look at, we're going to zoom in here for you, is this will hurt you more than anything else. Those are briars. So be careful, do not let those hurt you. And so just take your time and have fun. Okay. Yeah, you're right, when they're ready, they just fall right into your hand. What I'd like to learn is what these plants look like in their dormant state. Then I could come cut the rest of the stuff away from it. So when they come out to harvest, not only can we get to them easier, but the animals can get to them easier too. Look at that. That is a June bug. It's a baby June bug. Go do your thing, buddy. Yep, let's find another spot. Bumblebee's not happy that I'm over here. You hear him? You hear the bumblebee over there? There's a bumblebee somewhere. All right, y'all, that is what we were talking about. I know it's a quick video. We just want to get out here and give you a different perspective besides just all the trail camera stuff. These are out there. Go find them. They're delicious. If you have them in your area, try to prune the other stuff away from them. Let them prosper, let them grow. It's good for you. It's good for the wildlife. And we'll see you next time in the boneyard.